What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to AC Auto Carts. Hey, remember my trailer I made last fall? So we really haven't touched it since Halloween. I basically finished it early in the evening and we shot it out for trick-or-treating, and then it's been in the backyard sitting ever since. If you recall, I used an old 48-volt battery and a reducer that I already had. I didn't go out and purchase a battery, but today we are going to take a look at Grenerpowers 12-volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. They sent this over for us to check out, so we'll get that installed. We'll remove the reducer. I'll get rid of the big battery bus bar I got in here, and we'll just go straight to 12 volts. This 100 amp hour lithium should be able to handle any type of LED light or speaker or whatever that we want to put on this here trailer. Let's get started. So this is how it came, box like this, box is intact, foam inside, piece of foam was on top. I literally just pulled the wrapper up. There's two sets of screws that will be for here. They did send us a charger as well, which I asked for, because I'm like, I don't have any way to charge it. So I do have a charger to check out, which appears to be pretty self-explanatory as well. And we'll keep it charged that way. What we'll do is let's open up the bag. We'll see how many volts are in it as of right now. I have had it here for about a month. So let's get this packaging open. Oh, there's handles on it. Okay, well, wouldn't that have been easier? Little protectors here. We'll throw a couple bolts on the top and we'll check, see what amperage is in it. All right, out of the box, 13.7 or 13.17, excuse me. Here, make sure you guys can see that. So she's ready to rock right now. I shouldn't have to charge it at all. So on the top of the battery, this little packet was in there. It came with one of these cards, excuse me, shows all the different style batteries. They got a 25 volt, 200 amp hour, a 5150 amp hour. Where's the biggest one? 12, 12, 51, 51, 25. That 51 volt would be for golf carts, right? You could probably wire a couple of those together in series. There's a service card, product overview. So this particular one, I got a 12 volt, 100 amp hour, 300 minutes. Energy is 1200 watts. Resistance is 10. Self-discharge, 3% a month. Weighs 27 pounds, that seems super accurate, so there you go. So some of this information is also going to be available in the listing that will be on the Amazon page. So you'll be able to see those. Some fully charged battery before use. Gloves? I don't really know. Oh, look, we actually checked it. There you go. So I think we're really ready to go. I mean, it is fairly, you know, you pull it out of the bag, stick it in your application. I'm not wiring this one in series, so it's pretty easy. Obviously, don't wire it upside down. That would be bad. So we're gonna put it in bottom side, bottom. Okay. All right, let me get you in here and show you what's going on inside of here. All right, so this is from my big battery. I had a single 48 volt, 30 amp hour battery in here in the fall because I had one extra. So we can take out this bus bar situation. I can take out this voltage reducer that died, doesn't work anymore. So we'll get rid of that. We'll be able to wire directly up to my fuse panel, which will just have 12 volts here, and that'll run to our switch panel, and we'll hook up any additional accessories right here at the switch panel. So let me get this stuff out, and we'll get that new one in. So I do want to point out that, so this is your other lead acid battery size. It fits right in the tray, like it is perfect. So there's that. I could just put it here, but I'm going to leave it here in the center. This is just a little wood compartment that I had made. The floor in this thing isn't the greatest, so we have that. Now, there aren't any feet or anything with this. Something to consider. And so I did go out. I would like to keep it in the center. That's about center there. I did go out and grab some hardware from Home Depot to keep it in place. Now, this is for my application, obviously, because I am running a wood floor. So boom. A little voltage meter right there. So this has a couple of USB chargers. Let's plug the whip lights in. So I've had these right here. Oh, they're already hooked up. Come here, you. Which switch is it now? Am I forgetting which switch it is? Yep. There they are. We're back in action. So the charger, when it comes time to charge this, now there isn't anything to, let's say, mount this or keep it here. So it's just going to be negative and positive. And then this power cord, which I suppose you could leave this hooked up, but it's going to go right in here. All right, so I wonder what my volt, we can watch the voltmeter for a minute. So it's only been a minute. It was at 12.9, now we're at 13.1 already, so it's actively charging. All right, well here we are. I've got several things hooked up to that 12-volt battery by Grenerpower. Thanks to them for sending that out and sponsoring this video. But yeah, we're gonna be running this trailer independently of the 48-volt batteries that's either in this cart or any other cart that wants to hook up to it. It will be ready to go on its own. So anyway, that's our video for today. Thanks for checking us out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.